ATAS versus MotiveWave, which trading platform wins? Choosing the right trading platform can completely change how you analyze the markets without unnecessary complexity. We'll compare ATAS and MotiveWave to help you decide which fits your trading style best. ATAS and MotiveWave are powerful trading platforms, but they serve different needs. ATAS focuses on order flow and volume analysis, while MotiveWave offers advanced charting and strategy development. The core difference lies in their approach to market data and trading tools. ATAS is an advanced order flow and volume analysis platform designed for active traders who want to see the market beneath price charts. It collects and visualizes real-time market data, including footprint charts, volume profiles, and cluster analysis. This allows traders to identify supply and demand zones, track large orders, and gauge market sentiment with precision. ATAS supports futures, stocks, and crypto markets, making it versatile for various asset classes. Its strength lies in detailed volume analytics and intuitive visualization, which help traders make informed decisions based on market microstructure. However, ATAS has a steeper learning curve and focuses heavily on order flow, which may not suit traders looking for broad technical analysis or automated strategies. Ideal users are day traders and scalpers who rely on volume and order flow to time entries and exits effectively. MotiveWave is a comprehensive trading platform built for traders focused on advanced charting, technical analysis, and automated strategy development. It supports a wide range of chart types, including Renko, Kagi, and point and figure, alongside traditional candlestick charts. MotiveWave excels at backtesting and optimization, allowing traders to develop and test complex strategies with ease. It also integrates with multiple brokers, providing seamless order execution. Its strength is the depth of technical tools and flexibility for both discretionary and algorithmic trading. On the downside, MotiveWave can be resource intensive and may overwhelm beginners due to its rich feature set. It lacks the granular order flow data ATAS offers, which could be a limitation for traders who prioritize volume analysis. MotiveWave suits swing traders, systematic traders, and those who want to combine manual and automated trading approaches. Comparing ATAS and MotiveWave comes down to trading style and priorities. ATAS shines in order flow and volume analysis, giving traders a microscopic view of market activity, ideal for scalping and day trading futures or crypto. MotiveWave offers broader technical analysis tools and strategy automation, perfect for traders who backtest and deploy algorithmic strategies or prefer diverse chart types. While ATAS provides unmatched depth in volume data, it lacks MotiveWave's flexibility in automated trading and chart variety. Conversely, MotiveWave's focus on technical indicators and strategy development does not include the detailed footprint charts ATAS is known for. Choosing between them means balancing the need for order flow insights against advanced charting and automation capabilities. Choose ATAS if your trading depends on volume and order flow analysis and you want detailed market microstructure insights for active trading. Opt for MotiveWave if you prioritize advanced charting, technical analysis, and strategy automation. It's ideal for swing and systematic traders seeking a versatile platform to develop and execute complex trading strategies with ease and precision.